This is the HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, and it comes in either 12 or 50 packs depending on your needs. You can take our HOMEXCEL cleaning cloths to clean your worktop, kitchen, window, or even your car or other delicate surfaces. With just water or cleaner, you'll get streak-free and neat results. Our product is made of 85% polyester, 15% nylon, and these cleaning rags are so soft to the touch and lint-free. And it will not scratch or damage any of your finishes. Just clean at your own will. Our product can be used repeatedly hundreds of times. With reinforced edges, these cleaning towels won't be torn or broken easily. So do your part for the environment and don't use paper towels anymore. These are not only for the general cleaning task, but also for car exteriors or interiors, electronics, eyeglasses, collectibles, screens, and more. The HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are fully machine washable. Your satisfaction is guaranteed or your money back. It's as easy as that.